We will be page 89. Let me get the screen fixed here. It's a good one. Okay. Boom, boom. Page 89 today. Okay. All right. So, yesterday we talked about causes and effects, right? If I drive 100 miles an hour, the effect could be that I crash and get hurt really bad, right? Okay. If I study really, really, really hard for a test, the effect could be that I do a great job on the test, right? If I practice shooting my bow and arrow over and over and over again, I could get pretty good at shooting the bow, right? Okay. All right. So those are excuse me, causes and effects. Yesterday we talked about the causes and the effects of the Dust Bowl, right? The big storm in I believe in the 40s, 1940s. Okay, the author of Drought Report uses a cause and effect text structure. She uses headings, subheadings, and signal words to organize information about why droughts happen and what their effects are. Use details from Drought Report to complete the organizer below. Use headings, subheadings, and signal words to help you find two causes and two effects of drought. Okay, so cause and effect signal words. So the cause one, people blank. Okay. Okay, so what's a cause that what's something that causes a drought? Okay, so people do what to cause a drought though? What could people do that would cause a drought? People overwater their lawns and leave water running. Okay, so you could write something like that. Let's see what they put there. Yeah, they just wrote in people use too much water. Okay, people use too much water. So, cause one, people use too much water, or people waste water, something like that. Okay. Okay, cause two over here, it doesn't have to be people though. Okay, it could be the cause could be that we don't get enough snow, right? We don't get enough snow, so a drought occurs, right? We don't get enough precipitation, something like that. I remember last summer, I've never seen it as dry as I saw it last summer. Like I went fishing up Beaver Creek, and when I got up there, I could not believe there was just like a trickle of water coming down. Okay, I didn't even fish it. Nope. I think I went and fished the river instead, down low. But still, there was hardly. It was crazy. I think this winter, or I think this spring and summer, it will be better because we've gotten a lot of snowfall. Okay, so those are the two causes that we put. So then you see the arrows, they go to a drought occurs. What are the effects for crops? Crops wither up and dry out, right? Okay, crops will not grow without the amount of water that they need. Okay. Okay, what's another effect? Yeah, drinking water. We might lose drinking water. We might lose Another effect could be like crazy fires, right? Okay, when there are droughts and trees and grass and brush have no moisture at all, it turns really, really dry, and we could have huge crazy fires. Okay, they even put people get sick and sometimes die, right? So that's something even worse, like in in really intense situations. Yes. Okay, so you guys will submit this. I need to get it on Canvas so you can submit it. But yes, go ahead, turn in. This is page 89. Page 80.